Imagine waking up each day with freedom. Freedom to spend time as you choose. Freedom from financial stress. Most people desire this, yet feel trapped in their 9-to-5 jobs. Today, we'll show you how to escape that cycle using the money matrix formula. The rat race is a cycle of dependency. You work hard to earn money. That money pays bills, which keeps you in a job. It feels like you're busy but going nowhere. Most believe the rat race revolves around their job. However, the true rat race is their mindset. They trade time for money and rely on one income stream. To escape, you first need awareness. You must understand the system keeping you trapped. The rat race isn't about working hard. It's about working within a system that doesn't reward freedom. It's your mindset that needs a shift. Next, let's talk about the money matrix formula. This formula has 4 powerful pillars. They include income control, skill power, asset creation, and time liberation. Mastering these ensures your escape from the rat race. Starting with income control, it's vital to have control over your money. You need to understand your cash flow. Cash flow is simple. It's about what comes in versus what goes out. Many fail because they don't track spending. They assume they're broke. Next, reduce financial leakage. This includes unnecessary subscriptions and impulse spending. If money leaks away, it's tough to build wealth. Controlling your income is the first step to freedom. The second pillar is skill power. Many want more money but ignore skill development. Your earning potential hinges on your ability to create value. Picking a high-value skill is crucial. Examples are copywriting, coding, or digital marketing. These skills allow you to earn independently of a job. Think of skills as keys. The more keys you gather, the more doors of opportunity you can open. Once you obtain a high-value skill, you gain leverage. Leverage is essential to building assets. Now, let's explore asset creation. Assets are your path to freedom. They generate income without your physical presence. Assets work for you, even while you sleep. You can build digital assets, physical assets, or financial ones. Digital assets include online courses, blogs, or apps. Physical assets may be real estate or rental businesses. Financial assets cover stocks or investment funds. Many remain trapped because they do not create. Once you master a skill, convert it into an asset. For example, a designer can create templates or a writer can develop ebooks. If your income relies solely on labor, you're trapped. Freedom comes from leveraging assets. The fourth pillar is time liberation. Understanding that freedom is also about time is vital. As your assets produce income, use it wisely. Avoid the trap of increasing expenses. Time liberation encourages outsourcing low-value tasks. This way, you remove distractions that prevent growth. The more time you free, the more energy you have to invest. This cycle strengthens. Time produces assets, which generate income. Next, we'll discuss a safe transition from your 9-to-5 job. Quitting suddenly can lead to panic, not peace. Instead, implement a planned transition. Begin by stabilizing your income and eliminating leaks. Next, build a high-value skill on the side. Create an asset from that skill. Grow it until it covers your essential expenses. Reinvest part of your profits into more assets. Once your income consistently exceeds expenses, you're ready to leave the 9-to-5 work. Now, let's address the mindset shift needed for success. To escape, think like a creator, not just an employee. You need to transition from a consumer mindset to a producer's mindset. It's about investing rather than spending. Focus on creating opportunities instead of waiting for them. The money matrix formula isn't a quick solution. It's about crafting a life where your time is yours. In conclusion, escaping the rat race is achievable. Control your income, develop powerful skills, create income-generating assets, and buy back your time. This is the money matrix formula. If you found value in this video, subscribe for more insights. Let's work together to transform your financial future. Stay intentional, stay strategic, and stay in the matrix of wealth.